morning. We are on our way to the launch site. We're going to do a kayak paddle today from Maysville, North Carolina to Stella, North Carolina. It's about a 17, 18 mile paddle. Should take about 6-7 hours. We're going to make a few stops along the way at some different launch sites and the campsites. We're going to check those out, give you a little video tour of those places in case you decide you want to stop there. So Leah is with me, and she's going to drop me off and then pick me up later this afternoon. We're just a few minutes away from the launch site. We'll get back with you when we get there. Talk to you later. All right, we are out of here. We're going to make a few stops, give you the grand tour of a few launch sites that are along this way here. Dixon Field Landing will be the first. It's a few miles away. And then Haywood Landing is like 4 miles or something after that, maybe. And then Long Point Landing is like 4 or so miles after that. And then the pickup point is Boondocks Landing. So we'll stop for a few minutes, get some video, a couple of pictures of those areas along the way. I'm in the 17-foot sea kayak. It's not the optimum boat for this. It does a little bit better in open water. But want something that turns a little bit better. This one tends to want to go straight. But we're going to get her done. All right. So we'll get back with you in a few. hoping that the weather would be a little more cooperative. It's not bad, it's just it's very low sun, a lot of cloud cover. It's supposed to be cloudy all day with a slight chance of rain. Air temperature's about 60 degrees. It's supposed to blow out of the northeast today from 10 to 15. Really shouldn't be a lot of impact on us though. Going to be relatively sheltered up in the upper parts of the river. So just thought I'd give you a shout out. We're about a mile into it. We had some really bad weather a couple of weeks ago. Had about 7 inches of rain over the course of a week, so the river was really flooded. So there's a lot of block in the river. A couple of little hairy spots back there, but nothing too major. So, it's a beautiful area. It's opened up from really tight quarters. So. We'll get back with you in a few. Right. We are at Dixon Field Landing. Stop here right quick and give you the dime tour. Alright. We are here. A couple of campers. Here's the head. Dixon Field Landing. There's a paddle trail map. Now there's no amenities here other than this restroom. No running water, no electricity, no power. So you could get a travel trailer in here, motorhome, RV, if you wanted to. Most people tent camp. No place to launch a boat other than a kayak or canoe. Very off the beaten path campsite, primitive camping. We're back. All right, we're gonna carry on. We'll see you back out on the water here in just a couple minutes. All right, back at it. Next stop will be Haywood Landing. That's about 4 miles or so. This was actually 4 1/4 miles from the White Oak River Campground to Dixon Field Landing. Was 4 1/4 miles. So, good place to stop and stretch your legs. Use the head, drink of water, get back on. All right, back underway. We'll hit you up again in a few minutes. More wood ducks. All right, so we're 5.5 miles into it here. About an hour and a half, hour and 37 minutes since we launched. But it's beautiful. Those cypress trees. Little light shower, sun trying to crack through. Don't think it's gonna make it there. If it doesn't get any worse than that, we'll be just fine. All right, 6.5 miles. Back at you in a minute. Probably a lot of wind noise right here. We're 8.5 miles, almost 2.5 hours into the paddle. Doing well. The breeze is starting to pick up a little bit, starting to get a little more exposed. Haven't seen any boats, any kayaks, any canoes out yet. I think I can hear a power boat up ahead. But anyway, just checking in. We ought to be coming up on Haywood Landing. Not too long. We'll get back in with you, check back in with you then. All right. Hey, what's happening, fellas?
Hey, how you doing, Ken?
How y'all doing?
All right, all right.
Y'all having any luck?
Couple cat.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I got you. Haywoods. What's happening, fellas? Good, buddy. How about you? Hi, how are you? Y'all having any luck?
Not really, but
Y'all ain't caught no catfish?
huh?
Y'all ain't caught no catfish?
My brother caught one around there.
Yeah, he said he caught a couple.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Good luck.
Oh, you just kayak.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. All right, brother.
Y'all have a good one now. Hi, how are you? Good. All right. We're here. Haywood's Landing. Now this is a spot where you can launch a boat. Nice ramp. Nice ramp and a lot of A lot of boats. Restroom. There. This is where the Weetop Trail comes through. Also, nice spot. There you go. Nice boat ramp. Have a good one. Y'all having any luck? Yeah. A couple of boats out there I hollered at, they weren't doing much either. One said he caught a couple catfish.
Okay.
All that rain we had, I don't know. How are you?
Hey, pretty good.
Good. Y'all have a good one now. All right. We are out of here. That's a nice spot, but it didn't look like there was any camping allowed. I'll have to confirm that and follow up. Get back with you on that. But I've been by there. I've hiked that Weetop Trail many times and been by there. That's a pretty nice spot. Alright, we are 10.3 miles into it. 3 hours and 5 minutes of paddling. Doing well, doing well. Beautiful, beautiful area. So, next stop is Long Point Landing. It's 3 to 4 miles up here. So, we'll holler back at you then, if not before then. So, we'll be back. We are a little bit over, it's like 12.1 miles, 3.5 hours. So, you can see we're starting to hit some marsh grass. So we got some salt water coming up. Probably a little bit above us, about a mile or so. But this is where I'm really starting to see the marsh grass getting really thick. But you can see the river's widening up. But it's beautiful out here. Seeing a lot of signs of fish within the past mile also. But everything's looking good. Feeling good, beautiful day. Kind of working into the wind, but it's all good. We had a lot of current to start with, so we had a nice push. Take what you get. So, all right, we'll holler back at you in a few. How's it going?
Pretty good. How about you?
Good. All right. We are here. Long Point Landing. There's no electric, no water, just primitive camping. I'm not sure you can get an RV in here to this place. There's a head. There's no running water, it's just a pump out toilet. Camping limit 14 days. There's people here. Paddle trail sign. We are right there. So, almost 5 miles to go to the boondocks. You can see there's some monstrous potholes on this road. Way up there, deep, full of water. So, this is the quick dime tour. Just a small place where you can, with a few primitive campsites, and a place big enough where you can launch a kayak or canoe. That's about it. But it's a cool spot. Nice jumping off point. All right, back at it in a minute. All right. Saddle up. Hit the water. Y'all have a good one now. All right, we are out of here. All right, back at it. 4 hours and 3 minutes into it. 13.3 miles. So, we've got an hour and a half or so left. Pick up point at Boondocks Landing. So, doing well, feeling good. Everything's in good shape. Got out there, stretched my legs, changed the batteries in the cameras. We're all set. So, we'll get back with you momentarily. Over 15 miles, 15.3 miles. Been paddling for about 4.5 hours. marsh on us. It's turned into a beautiful day. What said it was supposed to be heavy cloud cover all day, but some high clouds, but it's turned into a pretty nice day. I'm not sure how well you can hear me with going into the wind like this. Is probably a lot of wind noise. But we're getting it done. So we'll be back with you in a little bit. Check back in. Alright, here's the Boondocks Landing. So we made it. Could actually title a little bit more. Nice little beach right there. Let's check that out. Hi. We're here at the pickup point. It says it's $5 for canoes and kayaks, so it's an honor system type deal. This right here. So we'll get that squared away. I texted Leah, she's on her way, so. But this is a nice boat ramp right here at the Wetherington Road Bridge. Floating docks. And there's a place to camp up there. So, pretty sweet little setup here. So, let's walk up here and check out see if this is a bathhouse. Looks like it might be. Back at you in a sec. Okay, so there's a shower. Nailed shut, it looks like. And a couple of bathrooms. So that's place to camp, tent camp. There's some RVs, trailers right there, so it's all right. So there you have it. Let's go down here and get comfortable and wait on Leah. We'll be back with you a little bit later on. Okay. My chariot. We're out of here. Okay, guys. We'll talk to you soon.